I'll be showing you guys how you can get automatic captions for any of your videos. To be able to use this, we're going to be utilizing the automatic and free captions tool on TikTok. I will be showing you an alternative method later down in the video too, but in my opinion that one is not as good. So let's go ahead and start with the best option of them all. Okay, so what you want to do first of all is just go ahead and go to the TikTok app, and right down here you will see the plus button, so just go ahead and click on plus for that. And do keep in mind that this method only works if you do have an iPhone or an Android or any sort of smartphone. I have tried to do this on desktop as well, but it doesn't really seem to work that well. If you really only want to do it on desktop, then maybe you can emulate Android on, for example, a Mac or a Windows device. Yeah, but for most people, the most simple way is probably just go ahead and use your smartphone to do this via the TikTok app. So as I said, go ahead and click on the plus icon right here. Then your camera will open up, so you want to click down here where you can choose from your recents, and I'm just going to use a recent short that I made as an example. So you just want to go ahead and select this right here and go ahead and click on next down here. From here you will be taken to this page, and here on the right you can see a bunch of different alternatives, and one of these here is going to be the captions. So it just popped up there, and if it doesn't pop up you can go ahead and click on this triangle, downwards triangle here, and just go ahead and click there. Then you'll see all the alternatives, and you want to be looking for this one basically, where just some block or some text here on the screen. So yeah, just go ahead and click on this. It's going to show captions, so go ahead and click on that.
Phone app, and yes, even CarPlay that actually works this time. But check this.
And when you go ahead and click on it, it will maybe take a bit of a time to go ahead and process, and then you'll be taken to this page where you can go ahead and edit all of the captions. So they do mostly land pretty well, but if you do want to make some minor adjustments, like for example it said OK iOS and it wrote it as 3 different words, so if I do want, then I can go ahead and adjust that. The reason I think this one is the most impressive is because of the styles option down here, where you can choose from a bunch of different styles that TikTok automatically generates. As you can see, the life in motion is the most popular one, but the life in motion where it shows emojis on the top is also really popular. And the emojis that pop up above the text are actually kind of related to what you're saying. So if you're for example saying keep an eye on this, then it'll probably show like an eye emoji. So yeah, I think that one works really well. Otherwise, the life in motion where it focuses and highlights the word that you're currently saying is also really good for engagement. After you go ahead and choose that, just go ahead and click on OK on all these options, and go ahead and click on the top here to go to the next page. If you do want as well, you can go ahead and scrub through to see that everything is as you want. When you click on the next button on the top there, you'll be taken back to this page because you are now done with your captions. After that, you can go ahead and click on next on on down here. Then you'll be taken to the upload page, and if you're uploading this to TikTok, then that's just perfect. You don't really need to change anything. You just make sure that it is set so that everyone can view this post. And if you do want to save this to your device, maybe you for example want to upload this to Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts as well, then you're going to want to go down to the more options right here, and from there you want to make sure that this option save to device is chosen and is on. Because what that will do is that when you upload it, then you're going to get a copy of this video with the captions inside it. And there are going to be no watermarks, and it is going to be in full quality. So you can use this to upload to all the other social media. So yeah, after that, just go ahead and post and you are done. As I said, there is an option for TikTok Studio here as well, and you can do some simple edits, but you can't really add captions or do anything more professional than that. So yeah, if you do want to edit, as I said, go ahead and use the TikTok app version. And there is an option to add captions on YouTube Shorts as well, as I'm showing you right now, but they are a lot more simple than the TikTok version. So in my opinion, the TikTok one works really much better because I think that it is a lot more engaging for your viewers. So yeah, hopefully you did find this video useful. Go ahead and leave a like if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.